everyone loves any stock when it's at all-time highs. Think of even names like Oklo. When it was at 200, people were talking about going to 400. Now it's back 50% off highs, touching the 200-day. No one's really talking about Oklo. So not really saying Nvidia is going to have as drastic of a drop. Nvidia is one of the biggest companies in the market, but once these things get weak and that sentiment changes, you don't really want to be the one buying 160 on the way down. That's when that happens. It's rolling over much lower. So we starting to see some of that weakness. Even AMD, had that big gap up, and you don't really want to see these things starting to test support. And the fact that it shook it out, this is the new range in AMD, but same thing like Nvidia. If this bounce can't get back up and trade within this range, you get up into this 260 area and you get a bounce to say 240, and you now start to get a new lower high forming, then it just spells the not if, but when this is going to break this 200 again.
Welcome to Big Trading. We aim to teach you how to successfully swim trade in the markets while working 9 to 5. We have put together a program that we can teach you over a decade's worth of knowledge over the next 60 days at no cost. Sometimes something like this can happen. Now, obviously, you don't plan to crash or invest. That the reality is you're doing about that. If you'd like to learn more of how we can help you avoid mistakes like this one here, simply click on the link below, schedule a call, and have it up.